In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite your accountant to QuickBooks Online. This is a simple process, but giving your accountant the right type of access can save you a lot of time and back and forth later on. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. You'll need to be the primary or company admin for this to work, because only users with that level of access are allowed to invite an accounting firm. If you're not sure whether you're an admin, check with whoever originally set up your QuickBooks subscription before you continue. Once you're logged in and you're on the main dashboard, look up to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon, which looks like a little sprocket. Go ahead and click that. This opens a menu with a lot of options that control how your company is set up. In that menu, look for the section labeled Your Company. Under that section, find and select Manage Users. This is where you can see everyone who currently has access to your QuickBooks file, along with their roles and permissions. Within the Manage Users page, you'll notice different tabs across the top. Click on the tab labeled Accounting Firms, or in some versions, it might simply say Accountants. This tab is specifically designed for giving professional accounting firms secure access without using up a regular user seat. Now, on the Accounting Firms tab, look for the button that says Invite Firm and click it. This opens a small window or form where you'll enter your accountant's details. You'll be asked to type in your accountant's email address, or in some cases, the firm's user ID and possibly their name. Take a moment to double-check that the email is correct and current. This is important because the invitation will be sent there and your accountant will use it to sign in. If you're not sure which email to use, check with your accountant first to avoid delays. When everything looks good, click Save or Send, depending on what your version of QuickBooks shows. That will send the official invitation to your accountant or their firm. As a final step, QuickBooks may ask you to verify your identity by entering a code sent to your phone. This is a security measure to make sure only authorized people can give access. Enter the code when prompted, and once that's confirmed, your invitation is complete.